The stranger. I hobble into the restroom. McCoy Park. The loose straps of a sandal flopped around a stabbed foot, beefily gauzed, swaddled brown with cobines. And there's this boy seated upon the stainless steel urinal. His cherubic penis confronts me. There is no shame. Can I get in here, I ask, awkward with the knowledge of the way this looks. I am a stranger. Strange and getting stranger, even to myself. Warts, I learned from the podiatrist, are a virus that spreads under the skin. Never knew I had them. It took 5 applications of acid before Mrs. Gonzalez offered to incise me, unfolding a blue bundle of swabs. Knives I didn't have the guts to peek at, fixing my eyes on the porous ceiling panels, imagining myself miniaturized, curling up inside a squiggly pore. My bandage bled through, smudging floor planks, so I crawled to the bathroom and knelt to pee, lifting my penis just above the rim. Felt like my son Theo, who stands on a stool now. In the public restroom, my other boy hops to his feet. I say, "Excuse me," and angle my body away, clearing myself as much for myself as for anyone else. Plants markets. I leave my cousin Bryce at the checkout with a bag of deli meat because I realize it's Valentine's Day and I still haven't bought any flowers for Lily. A small selection of dead succulents in ornate terracotta pots is all I can find on my search through the supermarket. Outside in the parking lot, Anastasia, young, spry, in corduroys before every evening, dashes among firecrackers, and Joe Messner, lawn-chaired beside the open trunk of his car, displays pots of dark soil. There's a folding table stacked with pots, but my sister Mariah's already bought those very plants with Mom, so I look around behind the table. Bottomless terraces of potted stocks and exotic flowers of endless variety. By the time I return the checkout lanes, bedroom dark and Bryce is asleep. Birdhouse in thoughts, shadows, silence at breakfast. The hairdryer. Lily tilts her head, dangling long black hair into her yellow hairdryer's jet of hot wind. Its engines scream in the tiled concourse of the bathroom, her breast wrapped in a towel. Nights of the unfortunate incident, I hold the prongs against the slider lock of our child safety outlet cover, while she presses the air gun in Theo's hands toward the couch cushion he soaked through his pants by accident. Our house roars, the maw of weekends in Euresis. Monday morning I bake quiche, direct solar wind toward upholstery still damp from the washing machine. Omi stops in the doorway to check in on me. I return her curiosity with a warm gust. Stand her gold bangs on end.